What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here with another video. Today we're working on something a little bit different. As you can see, the doors are taped up in very strange areas. Now you might be wondering why. What we're doing to this vehicle is actually removing all the water spots. Unfortunately, this is a brand new Tesla, brand new from factory. What happened was that unfortunately sometimes they're parked close to where they spray the water, sprinklers, or people just don't realize that when you spray water on the Tesla and you leave the water on there, they leave water spots, especially on hot glass. Now Brian over here is taping off all the edges and all the side trim just to make sure that no glass polish gets close to it. Now, as you can see, it's fully polished right here in the roof, and you can't notice a single water spot. And what this vehicle looked like was this glass, this mirror. And unfortunately, this isn't so easy to remove. It's not like something you can remove with your fingers that simply. It has to be polished off properly. And we did the full glass. Brian prep and polish the full glass, and then at the end we're gonna give it a wash just to make sure it looks nice and shiny for the customer. Let me show you what this one looks like really quick. Oh yeah, you can definitely notice some water spots on that one. Yeah, they're very old. They're very minuscule, something that you feel like you wouldn't notice, but they're there. And the customer was very unhappy with it. Now that's why he's getting it fixed here at Real Bros Auto Pros. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we're all finished with this. Basically, it was a water spot removal for this beautiful Tesla Model 3. We removed basically the entirety of the water spots that were in all the glass. Brian polished absolutely everything. We taped off absolutely everything to make sure that the vehicle got a nice finish and a clean look. And honestly, it looks absolutely perfect, like brand new glass, believe it or not. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the outside so you guys get a better look. Alrighty guys, that's it for this beautiful Tesla. Again, Brian polished all the glass to make sure that all the water spots would go away. And it looks absolutely beautiful, truthfully. Brian did an absolutely amazing job. He also rolled up the windows, so absolutely every single spot got covered and got corrected with some water spot removal. As you can see, the Tesla looks absolutely fresh, really clean, really fresh. If it needs anything, it's probably some PPF for the future. And what happens is that at the factory, unfortunately, Tesla does leave the vehicles outside, and they do get water spots, unfortunately. But as you can see, absolutely covered, beautifully done.